Things a girl from London never thought she would do one day. I'm just about to go with my silage and feed my cows. Something I never imagined me from South London would ever be doing. Look at this. This is my land. I'm so lucky. I'm so blessed. Here they come because they know they're going to get fed. Hey Moo-moos, are you ready? Licking your lips. You ready? I think they're ready for their food. They've just got a belt from the thing. You can hear them chewing. Here we go. There's a little bit of food for today, along with their paddock that they've eaten quite well. Hey Moo-moos. Say hello.